Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the market update for Tuesday, August 31st, 2021. So we are ready heading to the new month for September. You know that September usually the market is a bad month for the market, but at this moment the trend is still uptrend. The market continues to the uptrend on Monday. They pull back a little bit, sideways correction on Tuesday, but the trend is still bullish. So the big cap growth stock is doing very well during the summer. Now we are getting to September. The mid cap and the small cap stock start turning around. So we will stick with the strong stock in the strong sector. By look at the S&P 500 small cap and the Russell 2000, we can see that the 8-month consolidation is coming to the end here and it's ready for the breakout. So let's take a look on the key market indices to see where we're at, and then after that I will show you a lot of hot stock for the September so that we can take a look and then find opportunity to trade. So first of all, let's take a look on the ES, which is the S&P 500 here. Future, it still continue to put it upside. Today they pull back a little bit, but it's no sign of problem at all. The trend is still in the uptrend there. And look at the Nasdaq, it's also bullish, as you can see here. They are choppy today, but the overall trend is still bullish. And look at the Dow. The Dow is trying to hold on to this level here. If they try looking for opportunity to break out this level here, if they be able to break out, it's more bullish to come for the market. And if you look at the Russell 2000, have been choppy up and down in this red bar here. Now they'll be able to break out this resistance here and continue to put it up. In the short term, we try to test this level here. If they can clear this area here, they're even more bullish for the market in the future. So that's what all the indices look like right now. So the overall trend is like it's still bullish. And look at the crude oil. The crude oil it still hang around here. They try to put it up to test the resistance here. Let's see they were able to let's see what they're doing. If they can break out here, it's more bullish. If not, they need to pull back down before they can get some momentum in order to put it back up. The gold is still hang around here. They still have a strong resistance here, but they hang tight to this level here. If they can clear this resistance here, they will get up here quickly to get there. If you look at the Bitcoin is still hang tight after they hit the resistance. It's still sideways. Okay, it's not really yet a small correction. It seems like the bull is still in control here very well there. And the Ethereum is a little bit stronger. They have some resistance here. They pull back down, but the buyer step back in and continue to put it back up again to the upside. That's what we have for all of the indices that you can see there. As you know, that trading is a risky business. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme like many people are thinking. If you don't know technical analysis, then you have to be careful, because if you don't know where they go and you buy in the top, they pull back down, and then you panic, you can sell because the market at all-time high. That's why you need to know how to read the chart. That's why as Stock Navigators, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price action on the chart by using a logical technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology combined with the pattern recognition and the money management, so that you can trade with the high probability of winning. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor and support you every day until you are successful, and we will guide you in our live Discord community 24 hours so that you can get support and follow along. First, take a look on the small cap stock here. As you can see that the Russell 2000 is still very strong there, as you can see there. And if you look at the S&P 500 small cap stock, after the whole 8 months, they build a big bay here. If they can clear this bay here, okay, the small cap stock, it will continue to get up to the upside there. So now let's take a look on the September. Some sector is still pretty strong right now. So I'm going to give you a bunch of red hot sector and stock here for September, so that you can take a look and see how they are doing. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the small cap stock. You know that a lot of small cap stock are doing well. Okay, like BMBL that we show you. This one here, they wait for the ARKW. They're looking for to break out this level there. Plantier, that's another one. They try to find a way to put it up there. Okay, in terms of the strong sector that I'm looking at right now, that's the real estate sector. It's very strong. The last 3 days, they try to break out and continue to shoot it back up. So it seems like the real estate sector is still very red hot right now. So a couple of stocks there I want to show you, like AMT, still very strong there. DRE is still strong there. Okay, I put it to the upside. The last 3 days they take up and keep running. EPRT, that's another essential property realty. It's very strong there. KB Home, okay, they still get up there. And NETL, that's the Nestle Corporate Real Estate, they ready to break out this level here also. Okay, so that one of the sector there very strong for the month of September, look like it. In terms of the biotech and healthcare, they are still very strong, even though the last week they pull back down after they hit to the top here, but the momentum is still there with as long as the Delta variant is still there. A lot of stock in the bio healthcare sector is still doing well. And let me give you a couple of stocks in this sector, like IEGN, it's still pretty strong there. SYK, okay, it's still very strong there. And Gillette also strong there. And let me see what else. Okay, AXNX is still extremely strong there. So those stocks, they are very strong in the healthcare and bio sector right now. The energy sector, they are up one day, they pulled out one day. They still need some work, but they are trying to, still choppy here. They need a lot of work in order to get back up there. But some of the stock in this sector are still doing okay. Okay, like OSY, so those small cap stock in those sectors, after they pull back down, they try to find a way to put it back up. So that OSY, LPI, another one, still try to rebound from the support there. And Apache, okay, that's another one. Bottom out, push it back up. And let me see here. Another one is like NOA, okay. So this one here, after they find the support, they put it back up again. The financial sector is still doing well, okay. So right now, they try to build a base here. If they can clear this base here, it would be more bullish for the financial sector. And a lot of top leader in this sector, as you can see, a couple strong ones. It's like Goldman Sachs, okay, it's still definitely very strong there. Bank of America, okay, they try to put it back here, they hit some resistance, they pull back. So as long as they can get up and put it through this area here, they can move it higher. The regional bank is still try to find a way to clear this resistance here. PayPal, PYPL, that's another strong one. They're going to open a trading platform, so that because they have a customer base ready, so that's a good deal for this stock. They involve, if they can open a trading platform, a broker house, then they can generate more income with the large customer base. They already have it there. And another one is the bank. It's also the Signature Bank. they try to clear up this resistance here. If they can clear this one here, it will be more bullish in the future there. The one of the sector still remain the leader, which is the technology stock. The technology stock is very strong. As I mentioned on the weekend, you see some stock that they strong rebound, like Amazon. So kind of last 2-3 days, we highlight in the weekly market forecast. And the last 3 days, they already run up very fast right there. The technology software is still very strong to the upside there. And Netflix, it also try to find a way to break out this area here right there. The red hot one is Tesla. So Tesla today, they give me buy signal. They'll be able to clear this resistance here and continue to put it up to the upside. And Snap, it also another one that put back down, find support, try to run up again. Okay, so let's see how they lay out. So this is the red hot stock for September, and you should take a look and how, if you know how to read the chart, and you'll be able to tell where they are getting to. So beside this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist on the show more link below, where I will handpick about 5 stocks every week, and we analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and a target for you to follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up, like button, or any suggestion, please let me know on the comment below. Thank you for watching. Be safe and healthy. Good luck in your trading. I will see you on the weekly market forecast. Take care and have a fantastic long holiday weekend.